Hey guys, what's up in this video? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to another video. It's Take On Your Steve, and in this Ryan Rubik's Cube Pro, of course. So I'm gonna be that was my last one, but I changed it. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing no talking, and I'm gonna be solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 3 squares, each layer, first, second, third, just like that. And I'm gonna be mixing it up completely, fully scrambled. I'm not doing, for example, RU, and then doing U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. It's going to be a full scrambled up cube, and I'm going to give it to elders and see, and then they're going to scramble it, and then you're going to see that how I'm going to solve and what my method could be. Now this method is not the easiest, okay? So, for example, I'll give somebody, and now I'll see you. So I'm going to give it to somebody and scramble it fully. So I'm going to give this to a person. And she's going to scramble it completely, not just one algorithm, and doing the opposite. Hearing the voice, it's scrambling. Okay. Okay, give it to me. Okay. So fully scrambled. 2x3 Rubik's Cube. See? No algorithms, no things. And you're gonna watch me how I could solve a 3x3, which somebody scrambled Rubik's Cube. Let's go. So put this camera here, and you're gonna see what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I'm gonna be no talking, okay? But you could see what I'm doing. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so easier. Now I'm almost there, just to do a little more algorithms in the sun. Actually short algorithms because I'm only on the second layer now. And you could tell where I am when I was not talking. And now I'm gonna not talk again and see if you guys figure out what I'm actually saying. Now I'm scrambling this up. So I'm gonna make it yellow. And then I don't know. And then we do the outline here. Thank you. And then the cube is solved. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.